Fire testing Keralite. Keralite is Vetrotech's fire-rated glass ceramic for the E classification according to the European classification system and for the protective range according to the International Building Code (IBC). Glass ceramic is manufactured according to the European standard EN 1748-2 and is 4 mm to 5 mm in thickness, which is 0.16 inches to 0.2 inches. Keralite provides a fire rating of up to 3 hours or more because its melting point is higher than the temperatures that occur during a room fire. During this time, the glass remains transparent, which helps in locating the fire from the safe, non-fire side. Glass ceramic has a coefficient of linear thermal expansion close to 0, which makes this material very robust against thermal shock. During a fire test, the pane will remain in place with almost no elongation or deformation because of its material properties. At the same time, due to its material properties, the frame expands and bends as it reacts to the fire. The glass ceramic is held tightly within the frame, forcing it to follow the movement of the expanding frame. If the elongation of the frame is too great, the glass edge can slide out of the rebate and an opening between the edge of the glass and the frame can develop. Keralite is an E-class or protective product. This means it keeps flames and hot gas from spreading to the protected area, but does not provide temperature insulation on the safe or non-fire side. For such tests, no surface temperature restrictions apply to the test specimen. Thus, the surface temperature is not measured. For most fire-rated applications greater than 20 minutes in North America, a hose stream test is required directly after the fire test. For standards requiring a hose stream test, it is necessary to move the test specimen from the oven to the hose stream testing area within a maximum of 90 seconds. The hose stream is applied from a nozzle placed 6.1 meters or 20 feet away from the specimen. Water is sprayed at a pressure of 2.07 bar or 30 psi for fire ratings up to 3 hours and 3 bar or 45 psi for fire ratings of 4 hours and above. The test standard prescribes the spray pattern and duration on the fire-exposed face of the test specimen. The duration of the test is dependent on the surface and the fire rating of the test specimen. The higher the fire rating, the longer the exposure per surface. The Keralite pane can withstand the impact, erosion and cooling effects of a hose stream due to its special material properties. However, when the hose stream impacts the whole test specimen, deformation and shrinking of the frame occurs, which places additional mechanical stress on the glass ceramic. Only the right combination of framing, glass and glazing materials allows the passing of this test. On walls, the hose stream test can be applied in the half duration of the intended fire rating of the wall, which in return requires a second fire test with full duration. For doors, the hose stream test has to be conducted after a full duration fire test. Building elements that are required to be subjected to the impact, erosion and cooling effects of a hose stream as part of a fire test response standard can only be classified after passing both the fire and hose stream test. Keralite is also available in filmed or laminated safety variants, as well as in insulating glass units, which can be combined with numerous features in our multifunctionality range. For more information, visit vetrotech.com.